we can always make some edits.
Yeah.
Tell us about yourself.
Okay, well, my name is Eduardo Guerrero Criado. I was born in Caracas, Venezuela. I graduated in Pilot Point High School in the north of Texas, very small town. I'm a dual degree, microbiology and molecular genetics, and biochemistry, and I'm a senior this year.
So what do you want to do with your fancy degree?
I'd like to pursue a medical degree for sure. I don't know if I want to do MD, PhD, or just MD, but I want to go into regenerative medicine.
What do you want to do with your degree? What makes microbiology interesting to you?
Well, microbiology, the reason that I chose it as a major initially was because I believe to be able to understand the bigger things in life, you need to go way down to its smaller levels and understand why the smaller things make the bigger things happen. And especially in my option of genetics, genetics are what make us us, because we all have the same genes, it just depends on how they're encoded.
What else are you involved with on campus?
I'm an RA on campus, so I'm able to help out a lot of different people that live in our residential halls. I used to be president of the microbiology club, had a great time doing that. I'm in the Horsemen's Association, I have been for 4 years, and every year I help out with homecoming on that.
So you plan on being in school for a while. Are you worried about student debt?
Well, student debt is a real problem, especially nowadays when it can go past $100,000 easily for a medical student, but there are a lot of options. The MD PhD program is very attractive for that reason. In addition to loving science, it's completely funded, especially the medical scientist training program is 100% funded at several institutions. Also, there's a lot of opportunities in the Air Force, in the Navy. You'll be able to serve your country and have your school paid for.
So are you graduating with your undergrad with a lot of debt?
No, I'm actually graduating debt-free. That's one of the best things about Oklahoma State. I was able to come here and it'd be less expensive than going to a school in Texas where I'm technically a resident of. So the opportunities are there, you just need to...
What opportunities has OSU provided for you?
OSU provided many opportunities for me in the forms of funding from my school, traveling to conferences to present my research, the ability to conduct research as an independent autonomous researcher under the supervision of several university faculty, and also the opportunity to go abroad for 6 months and conduct research and be fully funded and take full advantage of living in a completely different culture, working in a multinational lab and having to deal with the differences between the French, the German, the Italians, and the Americans. And myself being from Venezuela, I was able to really see how Americans are perceived abroad and how our research is so important to these entities outside of the U.S. And being able to go abroad for 6 months would not have been possible for me if it had not been through research and through my skills that OSU has given me.